Hi friends, welcome back to our SP English Educare channel. Today I am going to demonstrate second QC Max Model Question Paper 3 2024 to 2025 with answer represented by Chandu sir, solved by Lakshmi Nagshetty and narrated by Srishti Balakrishna. So before exposing the question paper and answer, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and like, share so you'll get the notification as soon as we upload the video. Okay, now let me move to expose the answer. Part A, first bit. Answer all the multiple choice question. First, the element needed to be the relation r is equals to 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 on A is equals to 1, 2, 3 so that the relation is neither symmetric nor transitive. A 2, 3, B 3, 1, C 1, 2, D 3, 2 and the answer is D 3, 2. Second, the graph of the function y is equals to cos inverse x is the mirror image of the graph of the function y is equals to cos x along with the line A x is equals to 0, B y is equals to x, C y is equals to 1, D y is equals to 0 and the answer is B y is equals to x. Third, the value of tan inverse of root 3 plus sec inverse of minus 2 is equal to A pi, B 2 pi by 3, C minus pi by 3, D pi by 3 and the answer is A pi. Fourth, if A and B are matrices of order 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 2 respectively, then which of the following are defined? A AB, B BA, C A square, D A plus B and the answer is A AB. Fifth, a square matrix A is invertible if A is A null matrix, B singular matrix, C skew symmetric matrix of order 3, D non-singular matrix and the answer is D non-singular matrix. Sixth, if y is equals to sine inverse of x root x, then dy by dx is equals to A 1 by root 1 minus x cube, D 2 root x by 3 root 1 minus x cube, C 3 root x by 2 root 1 minus x cube, D minus 3 root x by 2 root 1 minus x cube and the answer is C 3 root x by 2 root 1 minus x cube. 7th, if y is equals to x to the power a plus a to the power x plus a to the power a for some fixed a greater than 0 and x greater than 0, then dy by dx is equals to A ax to the power a minus 1 plus a to the power x log a plus a to the power a minus 1, B ax to the power a minus 1 plus a to the power a log a, C ax to the power a minus 1 plus x a to the power x minus 1 plus a to the power a minus 1, D ax to the power a minus 1 plus a to the power x log a plus a to the power a, and the answer is B. Ax to the power a minus 1 plus a to the power x log a. 8. Consider the following statements for the given function y is equals to f of x defined on an interval I and CEI and x is equals to c. First, f dash of c is equals to 0 and f double dash c less than 0 implies that f attains local maxima. Second, f dash of c is equals to 0 and f double dash of c greater than 0 implies that f attains local minima. Third, f dash of c is equals to 0 and f double dash of c is equals to 0 implies that f attains both maxima and minima. A. 1 and 2 are true. B. 1 and 3rd are true. C. 2nd and 3rd are true. D. All are false, and the answer is A. 1 and 2 are true. 9. In each side of a cube is x units, then the rate of change of its surface area with respect to side is A. 12x, B. 6x, C. 6x square, D. 3x square, and the answer is C. 6x square. 10th, statement 1. The antiderivative of 1 by root 1 plus x square with respect to x is x by 2 root 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 log mod of x plus root 1 plus x square plus c. Statement 2. The derivative of x by 2 root 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 log mod of x plus root 1 plus x square plus c with respect to x is 1 by root 1 plus x square. A. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. B. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is correct explanation for statement 1. C. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is not a correct explanation for statement 1. D. Both statements are false, and the answer is D. Both statements are false. 11th, the degree of differential equation d square y by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus sin dy by dx plus 1 is equals to 0 is A. 2, B. 3, C. 5, D. Not defined, and the answer is D. Not defined. 12th, the position vector of a point which divides the join of points with position vector 3a vector minus 2b vector and a vector plus b vector externally in the ratio 2:1 is A. 5a vector by 3, B. 4a vector minus b vector, C. 4b vector minus a vector, D. 2a vector plus b, and the answer is C. 4b vector minus a vector. 13. If a vector A makes angle with pi by 3 with I vector and pi by 4 with j vector and an acute angle theta with k vector, then theta is A. Pi by 6, B. Pi by 4, C. Pi by 3, D. Pi by 2, and the answer is C. Pi by 3. 14. Find the angle between the lines whose direction ratios are A, B, C and B minus C, C minus A minus B is A. 45 degree, B. 30 degree, C. 60 degree, D. 90 degree, and the answer is D. 90 degree. 15th, if A and B are two independent events such that P of A is equals to 1 by 4 and P of B is equals to 1 by 2, then P neither A nor B, A 1 by 3, B 3 by 8, C 7 by 8, D 1 by 2, and the answer is C. 7 by 8. Second bit. Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate answer from those given in the brackets. -2, 5 by 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 by 2. 16th, the number of all possible orders of matrices with 13 elements is dash, and the answer is 2. 17th, if y is equals to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, then d square y by dx square plus y is equals to dash, and the answer is 0. If the function f given f of x is equals to x square plus ax plus 1 is increasing on 1, 2, then the value of a is greater than dash, and the answer is -2. 19th, mod x dx is equals to, and the answer is 3/2. 20. If A and B are any two events such that P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B is equals to P of A, then P of A by B is dash, and the answer is 1. Part B, answer any 6 question. Write the simplest form of tan inverse of root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, 0 less than x less than pi, and the problem is below. 22. Prove that 2 sin inverse of 3/5 is equals to tan inverse of 24/7, and the answer is below. Third, if f of x is equals to matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, then show that f of x f of y is equals to f of x plus y, and the answer is below. Find the equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants, and the answer is below. Differentiate x to the power sin x, comma x greater than 0 with respect to x, and the answer is below. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equals to x square e to the power minus x is increasing, and the answer is below. Find integral x square plus 1 log x dx, and the answer is below. Verify the function y is equals to mx is the solution of dy by dx minus y is equals to 0, x not equal to 0, and the answer is below. Find the distance between the line r vector is equals to I vector plus 2j vector minus 4k vector plus lambda of 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 6k vector, and r vector is equals to 3i vector plus 3j vector minus 5k vector plus mu of 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 6k vector, and the answer is below. Part C. Answer any 6 question. 30. Let f from x to y be a function. Define a relation r in x given by r is equals to a comma b such that f of a is equals to f of b. Examine whether r is an equivalence relation or not, and the answer is below. First, if x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equals to 81, then find dy by dx, and the answer is below. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 cm per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 2 cm per minute. When x is equals to 10 cm and y is equals to 6 cm, find the rate of charge of the perimeter of the rectangle, and the answer is below. Find the integral of 1 by a square plus x square with respect to x. If the vertices A, B and C of a triangle are 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2 respectively, then find the angle A, B, C, and the answer is B. Below. 35th. Find the area of the rectangle whose vertices are A is equals to minus I vector plus 1 by 2 j vector plus 4k vector, B I vector plus 1 by 2 j vector plus 4k, C I vector plus 1 by 2 j vector plus 4k vector, and D minus I minus 1 by 2 j vector plus 4k vector, and the answer is below. Find the equator equation of the line passing through the point 1, 2, minus 4 and perpendicular to the two lines x minus 8 by 3 is equals to y plus 19 by minus 16 is equals to z minus 10 by 7, and x minus 15 by 3 is equals to y minus 29 by 8 is equals to z minus 5 minus 5, and the answer is below. An urn contains 5 red and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random. Its colors is noted and is returned to the urn. Moreover, 2 additional balls of the color drawn are put in the urn, and then a ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the second ball is red? And the answer is below. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Consider the events E 3 heads or 3 tails, F at least 2 heads and G at most 2 heads of the pace. E, F, E, G and F, G, which are independent, which are dependent, and the answer is below. Part D. Answer any 4 question. Let f from n to y be a function defined as f of x is equals to 4x plus 3, where y is equals to y belongs to n from y is equals to 4x plus 3. For some x belongs to n, show that f is invertible. Find the inverse of f, and the answer is below. If A is equals to matrix 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, comma, B is equals to matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, and C is equals to matrix 2, minus 2, 3, calculate AB, AC and A of B plus C. Verify that A of B plus C is equal to B plus AC, and the answer is below. Solve the following system of linear equation by matrix method. 2x plus y plus z is equals to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equals to 3 by 2, and 3y minus 5z is equals to 9, and the answer is below. 42. If x is equals to a cos t plus t sin t and y is equals to a sin t minus t cos t, find d square y by dx square, and the answer is below. Find integration x to the power 4 by x minus 1 x square plus 1 dx, and the answer is below. Find the area of the region bounded by the line y is equals to 3x plus 2. The x-axis and the coordinates x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 1 by integration method, and the answer is below. below. 45th, find the equation of a curve passing through the origin given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x, y is equal to the sum of the ordinates of the point, and the answer is below. Patty answered the following question. 46th A. Prove that minus a to a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even, 0 if f is odd, and evaluate minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine to the power 7 x dx, and the answer is below. Or solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Minimize and maximize z is equals to x plus 2y subject to the constants x plus 2y greater than or less than 100, 2x minus y less than or greater than 10, 2x plus y less than or greater than 200, and x, y greater than or less than 0, and below is the graph. If matrix A is equals to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Satisfying a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i is equals to 0. Then evaluate a to the power minus 1, and the answer is below. Or if f of x is equals to k cos x by pi minus 2x, if x is not equal to pi by 2, 3 if x is equal to pi by 2, is continuous at x is equals to pi by 2, find k.